Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Amcelooy 2000 peak amp car battery jump starter. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The Amcelooy car jump starter is a portable and multifunctional device. It not only helps start vehicles with dead batteries but also serves as a 12-volt DC portable power supply. While supporting charging for USB-powered devices and featuring an LED work light, making it an essential car accessory for any emergency situation. Powerful starting performance. This car jump starter has a peak current of 2000 amps, which is capable of starting up to 8.0L gas or 8.0L diesel engines. This makes it suitable for a wide range of equipment and vehicles, from lawnmowers, small cars to larger pickups and SUVs. Multiple power output ports. Built with a 20 Ah AGM sealed lead-acid battery, this jump starter power pack is equipped with USB and DC ports and works as a reliable power bank. It charges not only portable electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and GPS devices, but also car accessories such as car refrigerators and car vacuums. Its USB ports usually support fast charging, allowing for quick power replenishment of your devices. The jump pack features a built-in practical LED light for emergency lighting in dark or low-light environments, ideal for night vehicle maintenance. Its portable and compact design allows easy storage in the car trunk or toolbox without taking up much space, enabling convenient transport whenever needed. Safety protection and durable performance. This jump box features a thick pure copper core wire that handles higher currents, plus over 1000 charge cycles for long-lasting use. It easily restarts unloaded 12-volt vehicles even in extreme temperatures, -4 to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. With multiple safety protections: reverse polarity, short circuit, overvoltage, overcharge, and overtemperature to keep you and your vehicle safe during operation. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.